Math time na!
It's me, Teacher Jane, and welcome to my channel.
Kung interesado ka sa subject ko, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and click that notification bell para updated ka sa next uploads ko. Today, we will be discussing multiplication of polynomials. For today's objective, we are going to multiply polynomials. But before we proceed, let's recall the laws of exponents.
Okay, 5 raised to 3. 3 here is the exponent and 5 is the base. Again, exponent refers to the number of times the base is multiplied by itself. The base tells what number is being multiplied. Power is the product of multiplying a number by itself. So here, 5 raised to 3 is equal to 125, which means that you multiply 5 by itself 3 times. Now, let's understand the different laws of exponents.
When I wake up, I feel.
So, number 1, yung product of powers. When multiplying numbers or expressions with the same bases, just copy the common base and add their corresponding exponents.
A plus up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a
And
second.
if they have the same bases,
I love
you just
this
add the
moment,
exponents.
yeah.
Kapag wala naman silang kaparehas, you just simplify expressions with exponents. So dito, mahalaga na alam mong i-group ang bawat coefficients at variables. Next, we have power of powers. When a power is raised to another power, just copy the base and multiply the exponents.
Take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo.
X to the m times y to the n raised to a. So this is power of the product. So in this case, to find the power of the product, just use the distributive property and multiply each
Stay
exponent.
a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
With another law of
Stay a
exponents,
minute,
x raised to n
another
divided
minute.
by x raised to
Hold
n
on a
is
second,
equal to x
I love
raised
this
to n
moment,
minus
yeah.
n. So this is called a quotient of powers. When dividing expressions with exponents, just copy the
You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us
Okay,
up.
next we have x raised to m divided by y raised to n raised to a. So, this is called as power of a quotient. To find the power of a quotient, just distribute the exponent to both numerator and denominator and follow the power of powers.
Another minute, hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute.
Next, we have exponent of 0. X raised to 0 is always 1. Any number or expressions when raised to 0 is always equal to 1.
Stay a minute, another minute.
for the last law of exponent, we have the negative exponent. So x raised to the negative n is equal to 1 over x raised to n. So dito, again, dapat mahalagaan, alam mo ang base kung kanino lang nakaraise ang exponent na negative. So to simplify expressions with negative exponent, yung base lang na merong negative exponent, kapag nasa numerator siya, ilalagay natin siya sa denominator to make it positive and vice versa.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee, yeah.
Multiplication of polynomials. First, we will discuss multiplying monomials. Remember that monomials are algebraic expressions that has one term. To multiply monomials, multiply first the numerical coefficient. Remember to apply the rules in multiplying integers. Again, in multiplying integers, like signs are always positive and like signs are always negative. Next, apply the product rule of exponent. A raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Third, apply the power rule of exponent. When a power is raised to another power, multiply the exponents. And then last, always express your answer in simplest form. Example, find the product. Number 1, 5xy times 3xy. Again, remember the steps. Multiply first the numerical coefficient before the variables. So in this case, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. X times x is equal to x squared. Y times y is equal to y squared. Another example, 1/3 a times 6b. Again, multiply first the numerical coefficient, 1/3 times 6, and then multiply the variables a times b is equal to 2ab. 1/3 of 6 is 2, and then copy the variables a and b. Third example, 4m times negative 3mn squared times 2m squared n cubed. So let's multiply first the numerical coefficients. 4 times negative 3 times positive 2. And then apply the product rule of exponents. M raised to 1 plus 1 plus 2. And then n plus raised to 2 plus 3. So the product is negative 24, m raised to 4, n raised to 5. Now let's multiply monomial by binomial. 4d squared m cubed times the binomial 2d raised to negative 1 plus 9m to the 7. Using the distributive property, multiply the monomial to each terms of the binomial. Then we will get 8d m raised to 3 plus 36d squared m to the 10. multiplying monomial by polynomial. So, ganun din, we use distributive property. We multiply the monomial to each term in the polynomial.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this.
And that ends our lesson today. See you next meeting. Goodbye.